Brain test game solutions level 21 to 40. Level 21, what is the last letter in the spelling? So the last letter in the word spelling is G, which is the correct answer. Level 22, there is an intruder in our cat party. So you can see this brave little rat sneaking over there. Level 23, save her. So let's shock the thief with the lightning and save her. Level 24, catch the mouse. As you can see, all the roads to the mouse are blocked. So let's go out of the box so that the cat can catch its prey. Level 25, Tom is hungry again, please help. So let's click on the stove to switch it on. Put this on top of it and find the rat for the cat. Level 26, make them fall in love. So burst the balloon with the help of the sharpness of the diamond. Wish it was that easy to fall in love. Level 27, what a terrible dice roll, help me please. So shake your device to get to 6s. Level 28, click on the calves please. So you can see there are no calves on the screen. So make them fall in love and produce calves and click on all of them. Level 29, which cat is on the right? So clicking on the cat on the right is not the correct answer. So let's drag the screen onto the left and find the cat on the right. Level 30, spot the differences. So I did spend some time in seeing if there were actually any differences, but there are none. So the answer is 0. Level 31, how many holes are there in the shirt? So that's 1 on the top, 1 at the bottom, 2 on the sides, 4, plus 2 front and back the upper hole and front and back the lower hole. So that's 8. Level 32, don't be misguided by all the equations. 3 plus 8 is simply 11. Level 33, help the car cross the bridge. So there's a crack on the bridge. So every time you click on the car, it will fall into the crack. So use your one finger to support the bridge, put it on the crack and then click on the car so that it can cross it. Level 34, he must get to his car to escape the zombies. So we need to outsmart and mislead the zombies to help him reach the car. Level 35, please open the soda. So don't use a bottle opener, simply shake the device so the soda pops out. Level 36, where is the cat above this text? So there is nothing about the text, but the question itself is moving. So place it beneath the cat. So the cat is above the text. Level 37, so you see 9, 1 and you need to know what the question mark is. So it's not the number of the lines, but the number of the intersections. So in the first, there are 9 intersections. So the answer is 9. In the second, 2 lines are making 1 intersection. So in the fourth, we can see 4. In the third one, there are 4 intersections. So answer is 4. Level 38, it is too dark. I can't find my cat. So use the bulb over here and find your cat. Level 39, reach to the finish before the time runs out. So every time the time is going to run out only, simply click on the timer, break it. So no hassle of the time. Level 40, we must be ready before the guests arrive. You can see 3 dirty glasses, so just swipe onto them with your fingers to make them spotless. And we are ready. Thank you so much.